What's up guys, Shevincredible here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys an overview of my new single Ed Sick. But basically it's not the single, it's the beat. I'm going to show you guys how I made the beat in FL Studio 20. So please guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, smack the post notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this beat. And also I'm gonna be have the whole songs and videos available for you guys to consume. Okay, so smack that subscribe button, turn the post notification bell on so you can be the first to know whenever I upload new video. Like that being said, let's get started. And okay guys, so this is FL Studio right here, and as you can see right here, this is what we call the pattern. All producers know that already, so I guess you guys should know it too. So this is the pattern. So this is where we basically create our beats, and you have the playlist, and over here is where we lay out our beat. Okay, all right, so guys, I'm gonna start from pattern 1, and pattern 1 is basically I start with a kick, basic kick. Okay, so as you can see right there, that is the kick. So let me actually find the kick for you, okay, so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the kick right here, and this is how I play the kick. Okay, I basically make it in the pattern too as well, so you guys can see it. Okay, so if I go all the way across, that's basically how I make the kick steps. Okay, and if I click that and go in the piano roll, it shows like that. Okay, so that's basically the kick. So I started off with a kick, okay, and then after the kick I had the clap. So you know it's dancehall, it has to be vibes. You have to have the vibes in order, you know, for people to listen to your music and be like, haha, I like that. You know what I mean? So basically it's the same principle over and over again. So after that clap, let me show you. This is how I make the clap out, and as you can see down here, it's velocity sensitive. Okay, so you know it's not a human beating it. It's me making that beat. It's not a robot. Okay, it's not a robot making it. Excuse me, hopefully. And yeah, as you can see, coming along really nice, right? So far, so good. Okay, so after the clap, I decided to put acts, I think. I don't know about other producers, but for me, I always like to start off, I mean, it's dependent on the vibes actually, but I personally like to start off with the kick, claps or snare or snap, and then the acts. You know what I mean? Those are my 3 things that I always start off with. Every producer is different. You have some producers, they start off with the melody and then add everything else in. But you know, it's music. There's no right and wrong way to do stuff. Okay? Alright. Then after that, as you can hear, I mean, that is just pretty awesome. It's like a GMC, and basically the GMC is basically It's kind of like the melody, kind of. So it's right here, and let me show you how I do it. It's just basically, it's just, you know, it's just some basic melody that I think would be fit for this song. You know what I mean? Because I want it to sound like I'm sick. And this basically, you know, give that touch in that song. You know, I'm sick. So this basically, you know, pull it off for me. So I like that. And basically what I do here, I have to add it to the mixer, and then I have to basically put some effects on it so it sounds more better, you know what I mean, in the mix, because this is without the preset, and that's how it sounds. But when I had these on there, I have to mix it accordingly, you know, to the sound that I was going for. And then I have to put a fruity balance on it. So I balance things out with that. And then the formula control, this basically, with these two, it basically switch it from here's to here's. So it pan it automatically. So if I pull this up, as you can see right here, it controlling it, the balance from left to right your ears. You know what I mean? So if you're listening to the music in a headphone, it's gonna be switching from ears to ears, ears to ears. It's doing it right now on my monitor, okay? On my speaker right there. Yeah, so basically that's how that works. And then I had a delay on there. And of course, the delay give it some, you know, extra, you know, bounce around in the ears from left to right as well. You know what I mean? So that's pretty cool. Okay, so right now if I go back to the playlist, okay, and then I'm gonna enable that one. So it's basically 9. Alright, so I'm going back. Before I do that, guys, let me add this in. It's basically number 4. And basically what I was going for boom, psh, boom, psh. Okay, so I have the boom right here, and I think that's pretty good. And it's just, you see, that's the, you know, the way look in the pattern. And then I had another one to go with this below that. So you go psh, psh, psh. So when I'm singing the song like head sick, you know, so me head sick, psh, psh, you know, so me head sick, psh, head sick, you know, so me head psh. That's what I was going for. Head sick, you know, so me head sick, head sick, you know, so me head sick, head sick, you know, so me head sick. Violate me, fool, you dead quick. Head sick, you know, see me head sick. You know what I mean? So it's basically what's inside your head, you should try to get inside of the software. Okay? And basically this is the way it look in the piano roll. Okay? And this is the way it look in the pattern. Alright, and then next up, number 6. And then let me play it over, guys. Let me start it over. And this is basically, it's just a tone, you know. It's just a tone. And this is what I use to do most of the crossover to. So boom, 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 boom. So you know it's something you should switch. You should, you know, something something new coming in, you know, so it's a crossover. So it just make the beat not a straight through thing that, you know, that annoys you. You know, so it basically make you know the beat is changing over time. You know what I mean? And I use the tongue to do that. That's how it look on the pattern, alright? And then after that, you know, I have to add the bass in. And if anyone know dancehall music, they know that dancehall music bass always get you to move, you know what I mean? So that was the goal for this song, to get you to move, even though the song is, you know, kind of like a violent song, but the beat still got you to, you know, and the song still got you to move as well. So basically that was the goal of that song, and this is the way look in the pattern, okay? And after that, wait, before I go any further, guys, before I go any further, please guys, click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on so you can be the first to know when I upload new video. Tell me if you like these kind of videos, you know, behind the scenes of my songs, so I can continue to make them, okay guys? Let me know in the comment below. Alright guys, like that being said, let's continue with this overview of this track. Okay. And I always had my slong, my logo.
Shevincredible music.
You know what I mean? I'm Shevincredible. I'm Shevincredible, okay? And let me put this on the pattern for once. So basically guys, this is the bass, okay? So I want you to pay attention to the way I made a bass. And actually too, I also have to add effects to it. So the effects is what giving you it basically put it in a frequency inside of the whole entire song by itself, so it doesn't drown any other instrument out. It's just, you know, it blends in with everything else, if you know what I meant. So that's the bass, and it keep changing over time, guys. I don't play this one bass. I keep make it change, so you can keep hear different stuff when the music keep going, okay? So that's it for the bass. And if I play it back,
Shevincredible music.
this is just my, you know, my slogan. So if I click it,
Shevincredible music. Shevincredible music.
it's pretty awesome, right? That's basically the beat, basically, you know. You don't want, because alright, every time you make a beat, always think about the artist. Give it room for the artist. You don't want to have a lot of stuff inside of the beat that the artist does not have a space to sing on the beat. Okay, so you always want to give that artist space, you know, so when they sing on the beat, then it completes the whole track. And that's basically what's this, that's what I do with this beat, you know. I don't have a lot of crazy stuff that going on, you know, that take away the focus of the song, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is an overview of Ed Sick. I'm Shevincredible, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Always, you know, click that subscribe button and, you know, drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this beat, and, you know, let me know if you want me to keep make videos like this one. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I'm just gonna let it play a little bit so you guys can hear it.
Just a pass and a spit like a kind of the boy head flick. You shoulda hear him a scream like bitch in a boy head gunshot pitch. Man look like you on the broom like witch. Body in your jump like fish. Me head sick, me say yeah me head sick. Head sick, you know see me head sick. Me head sick, you know see me head sick. Violate me pull you dead quick.
Yeah, guys, so thank you guys for watching. That's just an overview. I'm still working on it, but it sounds pretty good actually. It's about to be available soon, so peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm out. Thank you guys for watching.